Good morning. So we've checked out with our Airbnb and we've come over to Ashley Gorge before we go to the Housesit. So just going for a little walk.
Thought we'd stretch our legs, but we didn't really do anything yesterday.
So Ashley Gorge trek. So 1 hour loop trek. Yeah, and then I think they've added a waterfall, but I think we'll just do the loop because, yeah. Down the gorge.
Oh, proper stairs.
Climbing up for all the trees in the bush. Nice little walk. People have been friendly so far. Walking through some black beach. Even like black moss and stuff. Dave's hiding. Oh, tiny bird. Hello. Made it to the top of the little loop track. Nice view.
I don't think we have.
I thought that's what it was saying.
No.
Oh. Never mind. Nice view. This tree just likes to shed itself, apparently. Like people. Joining all the other families, having a little leftover Christmas lunch. Everyone's having like family parties and Boxing Day picnics and barbecues and stuff today, which is really...
Hello.
Hi.
So, this is the Housesit. We actually arrived yesterday, but you got to spend a day with the people who have the house. Had a few glasses of wine, had some dinner, went for a nice walk. It was really good. But we're here now. They've gone. We've got a nice big deck area, which is always nice.
Yeah, another barbecue.
Another barbecue, so plan to use that. And then into the house. The lights are all off, so it might be a little dark for you guys, but like, it's a nice family house. And we have, hello. So this is Rusty, who's a very good boy. Oh, hello. So Rusty is an Australian cattle dog. Pattern-wise, got a good amount of blue heeler in him. But yeah, and then our room's in here, which Rusty has been enjoying. And ignore the crap. We're still sorting stuff. But yeah, and we've got a bath, and I plan to have one of those later. But we have everything else we need. We have the Housesit hosts their bedrooms upstairs as well as a TV. And we have in kind of the living room, we have a secondary TV that we've been using. And we have a lovely big kitchen, which is really nice. Rusty's saw another dog. We back onto a park, which is really, really nice because it means you can just go straight out. But it does mean we have to keep an eye on him just because he likes to be territorial and think he's big and strong, but it's not the end of the world. We also have a cat called Stitch, who is kind of been in and out. Rescue cat, not that bothered by people. Apparently he likes coming up to you, but it's very much on his terms. And then you might be able to see on top of the greenhouse, there is a pigeon. Now that is actually a homing pigeon. Now there's 3 of them, and we need to put them inside soon. So that's part of it. But yeah, we got the 3 technically 3 types of animals, and we're here until the 4th of January. So we've got a good few days just to relax, enjoy, look after the dog. We've already taken him for 1 walk just to get him used to us. That was really nice. But yeah, he's a lovely dog. Really nice temperament. and we are looking forward to the rest of our time here because where we are is just outside of Christchurch, so we shall go and explore those on a few days and go from there. Yeah, that's our new house sit. Exciting. Rusty. So this is dinner for Rusty. Big old meat slab. It's like so yeah, you can kind of hold it. Careful, it does slip. Yeah. Oh, someone's excited for dinner.
Sit.
Sit. Good boy. Then Alex can just pop it down.
Sit. Wait.
And take and munch.
Gone.
Nice. So yeah, that's one animal fed.
Someone's ready for his walk. You ready? You go for a walk?
I think so.
I think someone's excited. You think we're going in the van? Yeah.
2 dark days, do you have a tear to spare? Make a promise.
I think someone figured out that Dave's got treats in his pocket.
Just breathe in through this debate.
Rust. Hey.
Come on, starter, right.
The one thing about Rusty is he likes to chew.
When they love you,
This is all Rusty.
same fate or even hate.
But only that pole. He just likes to chew that one.
Don't be scared when the way
Nope.
So this is the garden. Keeps the garden pristine. It's so nice. So you can see we've got 2 ponies up there.
Up there. Not walk time.
It has rained a little bit, and we did warn
Yes.
about having that drip into your face.
Rusty.
About there. About there. What is that? There we go. Yeah. And then we just go.
All 3 of them are waiting now. I think they might wait until we leave.
Yeah. Come on, you. Go on. Nope.
Yeah.
They'll do it as soon as you turn around. It's a pigeon. Good morning, pigeons. Time to let you out. There you go. Is that all 3? It's like, I don't want to leave yet. Come on. Yeah, they're up there.
They were like, oh no, he definitely doesn't jump with the bed. I think he did. Yes, very polite.
Hey.
Hello.
So we're going to take Rusty to the beach today.
Yep, so we're going to just go tell him.
Yeah, he gets excited.
Rusty,
Do you want to go to the beach?
want to go to the beach? Want to walk?
Oh!
I think that's a yes.
I think he knows where he's going. Yeah? Wanna go to the beach? Boy.
Depending what time you went, it would be alright. Yeah. So we brought Rusty down to Pegasus Beach, and the adventures in the back are alright. Alex ended up sitting in the back with him, not because he was causing a fuss, it's his leg just got caught in our curtain, so he was just a bit like, ah, and then he pulled it and stretched it, so that's something I need to sort out later. Not an issue, but just something I need to sort out. But yeah, so we're walking down to the beach, gonna let him run his little heart out, and then probably get too hot, and then we'll go back. It's really nice. Got like a wooded bit before the beach. Hey Rust. Hello. I think he might know where.
Rusty's having a puddle?
Nice, you're gonna get him.
You can always do it along the water.